Good morning students. Today we are going to understand next sum from cash flow statement. Sum number 18. From the following given information, calculate cash flow from investing activities. So first of all, we will prepare a format for statement of cash flow from investing activities. Then sale of non-current investments 88,000. We will add this because by sale of non-current investments, cash flow increases. Sale of non-current investments 88,000. Next, purchase of land 1,48,000. We will deduct it. Purchase of land, because by purchasing the fixed assets, cash flow decrease. 1,48,000. Next, purchase of machine 98,000. We will less purchase of machine 98,000. Next, sale of furniture 45,000. Cash flow increases, so we will add sale of furniture 45,000. Next, dividend received on investments 40,000. We will add 8 dividend received on investment. Because of this, cash flow increases, so we will add it. Next, paid for goodwill 32,000. Cash flow decreases by payment for goodwill, so paid for goodwill 32,000. Next, issue of shares 1,20,000. Students, it is a financing activities, so we will not record it. Redemption of debentures, same way, this is also a financing activity, we will not record it. Loan borrowed, it is also a financing activity, so we will not record it in investing activities. So these are financing activities. So sum is completed, entry posting is completed, so we will make the total 88,000 plus 45,000 plus 40,000. We will get 1,73,000. 1,48,000 plus 98,000 plus 32,000. We will get 2,78,000. We will deduct it from 1,73,000. Then we will get minus 1,05,000. We will put it into the bracket because this value comes in negative, and we will get net cash flow from investing activities. You can say it outflow also because it is in negative. इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 18. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.